Rural Access to Justice, Inc. is receiving the Pro Bono Organization of the Year award. Rural Access to Justice has taken more than 60 Judicare cases in the last 5 years, and in 2022, opened almost 200 new client matters, increasing their time and focus spent on family law cases, an area of law that's especially starved for attorneys in many counties. Please join me in honoring Rural Access to Justice. Accepting the award is attorney Robert Forseth.
Thank you very much for this award. We really appreciate the recognition. When we started Rural Access to Justice, we never anticipated actually getting any type of recognition for our efforts and our work. And I can't say enough that to get this recognition is incredible. It is validating our efforts and the time that we put into helping our community, and we really appreciate it. Knowing that our efforts have been appreciated by so many other people. You can take it from me, working for clients on a pro bono basis or a reduced rate, it doesn't matter. If you need any justification for doing it, I can tell you personally, your clients appreciate it so much more. Amanda and I came from private practice before we started Rural Access to Justice, and just the number of clients that I have that we have that appreciate our services and what we provide them is exponential. So I highly encourage you to seek pro bono work and offer it, because you'll greatly be satisfied by it. I want to send a bunch of thank yous out. First off to Judicare for nominating us. We're really grateful, and you're a great partner to work with. And we enjoy taking cases from Judicare, and we appreciate the help you give us. I also want to send a big thank you out to our staff and all our supporters that we've had over the years. We couldn't have done this without our staff or our support base, because we're from Waupaca, which is a town of 7,000 people, and the closest models we had when we started Rural Access to Justice were larger metropolitan areas of 50,000 plus population. I really also want to send a big thank you out to all the attorneys in the Waupaca area and surrounding counties, because we get referrals all the time, and I just want to emphasize that it's easy to have a client come into your office and say, I can't help you because you can't afford my services, and just turn them away. But it's another thing to take that additional step and then direct them to a service that can actually help them, like Rural Access to Justice, Judicare Legal Aid in Wisconsin. So if you get that opportunity, you always think about that. How can you help someone out? Lastly, and in particular, the one person I would like to send a big thank you out to, Amanda and I worked for Werner Johnson and Hendrickson before we started Rural Access to Justice. And we may have been not being in that firm anymore, but it feels like we've never left. So I want to just thank you to the attorneys at Werner Johnson and Hendrickson, and Tom Johnson in particular, for being here with us today. Because even though we aren't there, it feels like we have never left, and they've been a great help to us ever since we have. So thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and do pro bono work.